how to save your Word file in Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, unfortunately, there is no option to directly save your Word file to Google Drive, but there is a workaround. So, let's dive right in. So, head over to any browser and then go to the 9 dots in the top right. Head over to Drive. Now you can see new option in the left hand side. Tap on it and then tap on File Upload. Tap on the file that you want to save in your Google Drive and then hit Open. And then there you go. Your Microsoft Word document will be uploaded in your Google Drive. So there you go. Your Microsoft Word document has been saved in Google Drive. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.